Hey, let's start in the fourth bucket. He's like, he stuck his gun out. Oh, yeah. Put it in the corner. Like we did.
Hey, okay, both we're in the middle.
One in the really got a fucking doing that joke. I could have got you right there.
Alright guys, so what are you doing here?
Pistols duel. Man, no sportsmanlike.
What kind of pistol duels are you doing?
I got a Ruger. C10.
Blindfolded?
Nah, not blindfolded.
Alright. So it's just you two?
Yeah, we're starting inside the field.
Alright. There you go.
Next time.
Goggles on, goggles on!
Hey, where the fuck is the show? I paid for this shit. Holy shit, that's not. Such a spot. Good idea. Fuck me.
Yeah.
Well, really, I don't like that knife. I want to get the movie knife. The one that goes in everything. Oh, that goes in like a movie? Yeah. That was better. That fucking everything was that so much. How much does the knife cost? $10. $10? Yeah, I'll buy it. Is it even shooting?
No. Close your eyes, it is. Dude, fuck it. Come off my seat.
Hey, dude, that popped my ear, dude.
That's close.
Shit.
How much you get that? A lot. That's why I was gonna buy it.
You said that gas is a hardcore?
Shit, dude. Fuck you, man.
I'm sorry, dude.
What the fuck is that?
You're such a dick, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, it's man.
Sorry, dude.
Yeah, congratulations. Shot me from this close, fucker.
Hey, dude, I'm sorry. Hey, dude, half that time, dude, I was reloading. I would go like this, dude. Actually, not. I tried reloading 3 times. I went like this, and all the BBs would fly out. Like when you walked up over here, dude, my clip was out of my gun and shit. Who's next?
Good game, good
Dude, that was the most hilarious thing ever. I'm sorry. Yeah, I got it, dude, I got it.
Who's next? Louis? Louis is the next contender.
Say hi, Louis.
Hey, what about your USB?
It jams, dude.